Hi guys. So I want to take a second and talk to you about the new course design. We are now moving into a fully online format, and so I want to just real quickly show you where you can find everything. So you can follow along if you like, or maybe minimize the screen off to the side while you watch and listen and follow along on your own. So you're going to open up Canvas and go to your dashboard. Click on Our Course Shell. And I've placed everything in modules just to make it simple. So if you click on modules in the left-hand menu, you'll see that you have these new modules at the top of the screen. And these are weekly modules. So there's a week 12 module that opens the day we come back, March 30th. And then you'll notice that each module is set with a required prerequisite. So if you look at the week 13 module off to the side, it says prerequisites week 12 module. In other words, you must complete all of the assignments in the week 12 module before you'll be allowed to move on to the week 13 module. All right. So some other things that I want to talk about. Before you get into each and every module, you always want to start with the overview. It says read this first. So real quickly read that. And then after you've read the overview, you'll complete each element in each module in order. So you'll start with your proposal worksheet and then the submission. Take a look at the sample proposal. Here in a minute, I am going to post a video describing how to organize the proposal as well. You'll watch that video and then you'll see the Dropbox then for the proposal there. Everything should be in the modules, all of the handouts, all of the discussions, all of the videos, all of the assignment Dropboxes. So you shouldn't have to work with any of the old modules from before we went online. However, I've left those live just in case you want to take a look at them. Also, we're going to be playing catch up. We've lost a week of classes. Some of your instructors don't really use Canvas a whole lot. I'm kind of lucky in the sense that all of my material is here online. It's taking an awful lot of time to reorganize things and to create these videos, but by and large, I'm already kind of set up for this contingency. Other instructors may not actually go live with their online courses until March 30th. So I highly recommend that you use this extended spring break to get started on the week 12 information. That week 12 module will go live today. And once you have completed that first module, you are welcome to move into the next. So it's asynchronous. You're not required to meet the class at a certain day or time, and you can work ahead when it fits your schedule. And I recommend that you make an effort to do that. In the next couple of weeks, we are going to be creating proposals, outlines, they say, I say, introductions. We are going to be creating rough drafts and completing and submitting your final draft of your 5 to 7 page research paper. It's a lot of work to do in just 4 weeks. So I highly recommend that you use this extended spring break week to get a jump start. All right, so as soon as you've figured out how to navigate the Canvas modules, go ahead and get started.